Someone bumps into you. Before they even say a word, you say it, sorry. Not them. You. For something that was never your fault. You say sorry for asking a question. For taking up space. For needing something. For things that, if you really think about it, were never wrong in the first place. This isn't politeness. Politeness has limits. This is something else, a reflex that fires before you even decide to use it. There are 4 types of people when it comes to over-apologizing. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which one explains you. Type 1, the Peacekeeper. The moment any tension appears, even tiny, even imagined, you say sorry. Not because you did something wrong, but because the discomfort needs to disappear immediately. For you, conflict, even the smallest flicker of it, feels dangerous. So apology becomes your fastest tool to restore calm, whether or not you actually caused the problem. Type 2, the over-responsible. When something goes wrong, anything, really, your mind jumps straight to, this must somehow be my fault. Even when the facts say otherwise. You carry an inflated sense of what you're responsible for, as if you should have somehow predicted, prevented, or controlled an outcome that was never yours to manage. Type 3, the space shrinker. You apologize for needing something. For asking a question. For simply being present in a conversation that wasn't built around you. Somewhere along the way, you learned that your needs were an inconvenience to someone. So now, apologizing for existing feels like the safest way to take up less room. Type 4, the Accurate Apologist. You apologize, but only when it's actually warranted. When you've caused real harm, you own it clearly. When you haven't, you simply don't. For you, sorry still means something. It's not a filler word. It's not a reflex. It's a deliberate acknowledgement, used exactly when it's needed. Now here's what's interesting. We treat over-apologizing like a small, harmless habit. Just words, right? But words shape how much space you believe you're allowed to take. Here's the reversal. Over-apologizing was never really about politeness or kindness. It's a quiet form of self-erasure, disguised as good manners. Every unnecessary apology is a small vote against your own right to exist exactly as you are, taking up exactly the space you need. For the Peacekeeper, try sitting with a little tension before rushing to smooth it over. Not all discomfort needs to be fixed immediately. For the over-responsible, before apologizing, ask, did I actually cause this? If the honest answer is no, let the apology go unsaid. For the space shrinker, practice asking for something without an apology attached. Just the request. Nothing extra needed. And for the accurate apologist, keep modeling what real accountability looks like. It's rarer than it should be, and it matters more than you know. So next time the word sorry is about to leave your mouth, pause for 1 second. Ask, is this actually mine to own? Which one are you, the Peacekeeper, the over-responsible, the space shrinker, or the accurate apologist? Tell me below. And no, you don't need to apologize for your answer.